The wait is finally over and Google has launched their best model, which is Gemini 3.0 Pro. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to access it online. So let's get started. So just Google AI Studio and we will be having the first link, aistudio.google.com. Click it and make sure that you are signing in with your Google account. So for those who don't know, in Google AI Studio, Google allows us to try many of their AI models for absolutely free. So here, just click on Home, and here as you can see in the What's New, we are having Try Gemini 3, our most intelligent model to date. Click it and just select this. So selected Gemini 3 Pro Preview, and here we are having some parameters that we can configure. So the first one is system instructions. If you want to change that, you can change it. And next, temperature, and we're having the thinking level, so we can select low or high for this Gemini 3. And we are having structured outputs, code execution, function calling, grounding with Google search, enable or disable, you can do that, and rest are pretty much self-explanatory. So if I just click on this, here we are getting some information about Gemini 3 Pro Preview model. So as you can see here, if it is less than or equal to 200,000 tokens, the input cost is $2 and the output cost is $12. And if it's going to get more than 200,000 tokens, then the input cost is $4 and the output cost is $18. And the knowledge cutoff is January 2025. And this is also the pricing of Gemini 2.5 Pro. So here, if you go and ask any questions, we'll be getting the response from the Gemini 3 Pro Preview model. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.